Yeah, I know there's a lot of leftover hash browns. I'll make something for lunch. You like Hamburger Helper-ish? Let's get frugal. Sea salt. Add the cold hash browns. Watch how these hash browns were made from our hash brown lovers test video. There is a link at the end of this video. See you there. I have some garlic toast, butter, garlic powder. I'll definitely get her off of TikTok. So here we go. It's Hamburger Helper-ish. So I'm gonna bring her plate. Adios, amigos. Stick around for the next video to see how the hash browns were made. For more information and recipes, please visit our website, frugalspoon.com. And of course, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Adios, amigos.